Beautiful estate home and highly desirable Westhaven golf community. Incredible floor plan featuring 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, 3-car garage west/just 3 steps into kitchen, office west/coffee bar, separate area over garage could be second office or in-law suite. Primary bedroom is a true retreat with sitting room and spa-like bath west/vaulted ceiling. New sunroom and outdoor kitchen make entertaining a pleasure. Large formal dining room and butler's pantry. Gated motor court and outdoor cameras for added security. Fresh paint inside and out. New HVAC, water heater, some updated lighting. Too many details and updates to list. Unparalleled amenities in Westhaven include golf course, tennis court.